What's up, Amazon champions? Today is Monday. Welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to start this week off on a good note, talking about DHgate.com and Alibaba and kind of comparing them both to decipher which is the best fit for you. So we're going to dive into this video. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using the seatbelt pillow as the example to kind of compare both on DHgate and Alibaba. So as you can see, DHgate has a very similar layout as Alibaba does. You can go create a free account and you can start searching products. And as you can see, it's very similar, but the biggest difference between DHgate and Alibaba is right here. Free shipping. All of the products that you're going to order on DHgate are going to offer free shipping, which is going to save you a lot of money in that sense, because sometimes you get charged a lot extra on the shipping when it really doesn't cost that much. So that's a huge plus and pro with DHgate, is you're going to get free shipping. The con with that is you don't know how long it's going to take to get to you. So as you can see, you have via e-packet, you have via Hong Post, and then you have via DHL. Depending on the carrier that you select, it's going to take a lot longer than if you were to use FedEx or UPS. But DHL is sometimes very quick. So when I'm looking on DHgate, I look for free shipping via DHL. I love working with DHL. It's the easiest carrier, in my opinion, to work with, shipping from China. But right here, Hong Kong Post is going to be a lot longer. E-packet is going to be a little bit less. So have that in mind when you're ordering from DHgate. It might take longer than if you were to order on Alibaba. Another huge pro with DHgate is the minimum order quantity. So that means how many units do you have to order in order to buy from this manufacturer. As you can see right here, the minimum order is 60 pieces. That is very low. So if you're looking for a low risk product, but you can't find a low MOQ, then head over to DHgate. I promise you'll be able to find a lower minimum order quantity that you can take advantage of to test the product to see if that's something that you want to order thousands of units. So we're going to click on this one, the seatbelt pillow, the $199 to $381, and the reason being is I don't want to click on this one because it's the booster sale, 20% off. As soon as that sale goes away, your profit margins are going to be a lot worse. And then right here, they're still pretty good prices, but it's via e-packet. I rather work with DHL, so I'm going to click on this one to kind of compare it to Alibaba. So we're going to click on the color that we want. Then we're going to order 60 pieces, and depending on how many pieces you order, obviously it's going to get cheaper, just like Alibaba. So if I order 500 units plus, it's going to give me $3 a piece. But if I want to order a low minimum order, then I can order 60. So if I order 60, it's going to be $228.60 for me to get this to my house or to the Amazon warehouse. But another kind of disadvantage with DHgate is communicating to the manufacturer to put on your own logo or to put on the warning labels, the barcode labels. It's a little bit more difficult to communicate with the manufacturer in that sense, but it's not possible. So you can do that. It's just not as easy as Alibaba is. So now that we kind of get what DHgate does, we're going to search the same product on Alibaba and see what comes up. So as you're going to see, there's going to be a lot of different variety of products that come up for seatbelt pillow. And the reason being is DHgate is a little bit smaller, so they don't have as many products available, but Alibaba is so big, they have millions of products that you can choose from. So if you're having a hard time finding a product on DHgate, you might have to get it on Alibaba just because there's a bigger selection. The disadvantage or the con with Alibaba is the minimum order quantity. So as you can see, this is a similar product that we were looking at. The minimum order is 2,000 pieces. That is a lot of product that you have to order in order for you to start selling on Amazon. So the price isn't that much different you're going to pay a lot more in shipping on top of this. So as you can see, it's going to be a lot more if I were to order this exact product. A pro with Alibaba is there's no logo on this. You can customize it a little bit easier. It's easier to talk with the manufacturer and have them do what you want them to do. So that's the one reason why I like Alibaba a little bit better. It's easier to customize the product if you are trying to build a brand. So we're going to keep scrolling. Right here, 500 pieces from 80 cents to $3. So that's the lowest minimum order that I've found is 500 pieces. And if you want, you can go up here and eliminate all of that, and you can just do less than 100. So this will make it so that all the products are minimum order of less than 100. And let's see if they have any products similar to what we're looking at. So as you can see, okay, so here we have some that are very similar. We can click on it and order these products for $1.45. So here is a very, I guess it's kind of contradicting itself, and that's why I'm not saying that Alibaba is worse or better, or I'm not saying DH Gate is worse or better. It just completely depends on the product that you are ordering. So here you can order 1 unit to 500 units for $1.45 per unit. So that is a lot cheaper than DH Gate, but it is not calculating the shipping. So they might charge me a lot in shipping costs, and each unit might cost me $4. So that's something that you never know until you contact the supplier and you start talking with them to really decide which one is the best fit for you. So go in, compare them both. If you have a product idea, search them on both DH Gate and Alibaba. Do exactly what I was doing, comparing them both, and see which one you can get the best deal for your Amazon business. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up if you like this video, but we will see you guys in the video tomorrow. So thanks for watching.